Welcome back to another episode of Jacob's Corner. Today we are going to make a Kerala style Moru Curry. This is one of the favorite Kerala dish. For that here half liter of yogurt, it's a very pretty thick yogurt, and half liter of water, 8 green chilies sliced, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 8 garlic clove, 8 shallot, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, salt as needed, and a bunch of curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The first step is to blend the yogurt and the water together with the salt. So this is a blender. I'm going to pour the yogurt, pour the water. This is total 1 liter, and add the salt as needed. Then we are going to blend it very nicely. Make sure that you add salt while you blend it. Moru curry may split because adding the salt when it is hot. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is become hot, put fenugreek seed and mustard seed. When the mustard seed start cracking, put the curry leaves. When the curry leaf turns crispy, put all other ingredients except turmeric powder. That's shallot, sliced ginger, sliced garlic, sliced green chili. Make all these ingredients turn to kind of golden brown. For making the Moru curry, approximately it will take 10 to 15 minutes, even chopping, cooking, and everything. All this ingredient turned brown, golden brown, you add the turmeric powder. And make sure you lower the heat to the lowest. That's very important. If you keep the high heat, again the yogurt is going to split. Now it's ready. Then slowly you have to pour the mixer, the half yogurt and half water into the mix, and only turn one side. That's very important. You cannot twist back and forth. And slowly, don't rush. You have to slowly twist it until it gets kind of warm. That's a technique of making Moru curry without splitting. If you rush, it will split and it will turn both sides. Sometimes it split. And don't put salt when you cook it. You have to put the salt when you blend it. These are the few tips you have to understand when you make Moru curry. How to test the Moru curry is ready. Take your wrist and put a few drops and see you feel hot, means feeling some warmness. It's probably take 2 minutes to 3 minutes. In between you try my testing. Kerala Moru curry is ready. So I'm going to off the stove. So again, you should slowly drop that into a bowl. This Moru curry is my wife's favorite recipe. She's from Kottayam. This is kind of Kottayam Moru curry also. It's very easy to make and very few ingredients you need. And please try it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Let me know your comments, and also let me know any other recipes you want me to try and include in the next episode. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video.